it's here. I don't even know how to react to this, like the fact that I own this now, but yeah, you can do this if you want. You can do this if you want. Here, give me the can. Give me.
No.
Okay, yeah, sure. Hello, it is me. I have returned. After a long time, I've returned, and I got something really special in here. Okay. My boy Pingu. Yeah. Oh no, you got to. Okay, you can turn it back now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Turn it back.
But yeah. I got the legendary. This is like single-handedly one of the most legendary pieces of Pingu merchandise like ever. Like in the entirety of existence, this is like probably like this is about as cool as having as maybe the English Pingu Korean dubs. Okay, maybe okay. I actually don't even know if that's a fair comparison. I honestly don't know. But the point I'm trying to make here is this is amazing. This is the David Hasselhoff Pingu-Dance CD single with the original Pingu theme song instrumental of it. You can see there this was bought by Glanny Man. So I would not here. I actually want to show something. Just proof. Don't show any of this. Right there. Yeah. Right there. That's the Discogs.
Right.
The Discogs receipt. So yeah, I don't know.
Right.
I don't know what else to say, but well, let's open it.
Careful though, I don't know if that's how it goes.
It's all the way from Switzerland.
Yeah.
You can finally understand what the disc and the CD itself, what the cover itself looks like. Prepare. 2, 1. Oh, this is a very interesting looking CD cover. Oh yes. 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 Mine. Oh. I love this. This is absolutely amazing. So amazing. I just want to open this. So, my boy, David Hasselhoff and me. This is just so amazing. So my boy Pingu here just gotta stay on too. It's just so amazing. Yeah, this is a very actually cool looking CD case.
It's one of those special ones that they only do like for radio stations, like radio stations.
Maybe
CDs.
that's what this was made for. Maybe this was a radio station.
Well, good thing it comes with its own plastic
seal.
So you should probably.
I might actually just keep it in this. But yeah, this is it. This is it.
So that's all it is.
And the disc is mint. Look at that. The disc is mint. The disc is mint. Actually, this already just
My
has
name
all the
is Pingu.
Come on, dance to the beat. All be happy and have some.
There it is.
Oh wait, I want to see it. Yeah, we're just different bodies with different names. Yes, so. Actually, I want to put the disc like this.
Well, they do it like that so that the side isn't exposed to the sun.
Yeah, but it just looks better like this. But yeah, see David Hasselhoff, Pingu-Dance, Pingu-Dance Karaoke, Cats Kids, Pingu-Lied. That's so crazy.
There you go.
I wanna touch this. I wanna just embrace this for a second. David Hasselhoff, Pingu-Dance. So is Pingu. Yeah. This is amazing. I don't know how to respond besides, yeah, this is amazing.
Yeah.
There's only one thing to do now.
Yeah.
Listen to it. On my Sony, you have Pingu can sit right here.
No, he can't. You gotta put the disc in.
Well, I gotta put the disc in first. Yes.
Just gonna blast.
I'm just gonna blast this. I don't care. This is probably gonna sound too high because the only one we have is just super compressed versions from like YouTube and stuff. Like this is gonna sound absolutely amazing.
Pingu.
There we go.
Okay, everybody, this is the Pingu Prance. I want everybody up to do the Pingu Dance. My name is Pingu. Come on, dance to the beat. It's easy if you try, just watch my feet. Let's all be happy and have some fun. Let's count to 10 and start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go to 11. Stomp your feet and turn around. Reach for the sky, now touch the ground. To the Pingu.
Do the Pingu-Dance.
To the Pingu. Now we may look different, but we're all the same. Just different bodies with different names. We all have mommies and we all have dads. Sometimes we're happy, sometimes we're sad. But if you smile and dance with me, you'll be happy, just wait and see. Stomp your feet and turn around. Reach for the sky, now touch the ground. To the Pingu. To the Pingu. Come on, kids. To the beep, 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 to the Pingu. Beep, 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 to the Pingu. Beep, 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 to the Pingu. Beep, 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 to the Pingu, Pingu. Okay, kids, come on and dance to the beat. It's easy if you try. Just watch my feet. Let's all be happy and have some fun. Let's count to 10 and start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go to 11. Stop your feet and turn around. Reach for the sky and touch the ground. To the Pingu. To the Pingu.
Do the Pingu-Dance.
Come on, kids! Beep, 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 to the Pingu. Beep, 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 to the Pingu. Beep, 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 to the Pingu. Beep, 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 to the Pingu, Pingu. Beep, 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 to the Pingu. Beep, 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 to the Pingu. Beep, 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 to the Pingu. Beep, 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 to the Pingu, Pingu.
Oh my goodness.
This is absolutely amazing.